Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 6. Now that I've chained 6, on the last chain from the hook I'll make 5 treble crochet. So we'll need 6, but the chain in the beginning of a row will count as 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 5. Now right there through that treble crochet chain, the first one, I'll make 5 treble crochet. Now I'll skip the next 4 treble crochet chains and through this 5th treble crochet chain, which is a turning chain. Right through that last chain I'll make 6 treble crochet. This completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 5, then right there to that first treble crochet chain I'll make 5 treble crochet. Now right here between these next 2 shells through this loop I'll make 6 treble crochet. Now I'll skip next 5 treble crochet chains and through this last treble crochet chain, which is a turning chain, I'll make 6 treble crochet. So this completes row 3. Now here I use 2 different colors. The pattern is exactly the same, only I use 2 different colors. So for the pattern we will repeat row 3. But since this one is in 2 colors, I'll also show you how to start off the row with a new color. So again, I'll make a slip knot and turn my work around. So through this first double crochet chain, I insert a hook, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again, I'll chain 5. Then through that same chain, I'll make 5. So that 5 chain in the beginning of a row plus 5 more treble crochet. So each shell has 6 treble crochets. And now again, right here through this next loop, between the next 2 shells, I'll make 6 treble crochet. Again, through this next loop, between the next 2 shells, I'll make 6 treble crochet. This pattern is really easy, but I really like how it looks. It's just a 1 row repeat. Now I'll skip the next 5 treble crochets, and through this last treble crochet chain, which was our turning chain, I'll make 6 treble crochet. And now that I'm by the end of row 4, I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. You can use this as a motif, and the pattern will change depending on how you join them. Or you can continue row 3 and turn it into a shawl, or maybe even a triangle blanket.